Hello everyone, welcome back to EngVlog, and today in this lesson we're going to talk about a very common mistake, and this mistake is all about word especially. Many learners sometimes when they use the word in their writing and also speaking, sometimes they make that kind of mistake. But before going into that, I must warn you that the word especially is one of the 50 words most often spelled wrongly by learners. So be very careful. First thing is first, it's one of the 50 words that are spelled wrongly most often by many learners all over the world. So where should I put it? Okay, let's write down here. I think there isn't plenty. Okay, so I will write down on the board sometime later. Okay. The first warning, again, do not use the word especially at the beginning of a sentence. I think I have seen many students who have written the word especially or use the word especially at the very beginning of a sentence, but it's incorrect. Okay, so you shouldn't do that. So that's one point. And the word especially, if you use the word especially to refer to the subject of a sentence, which one you should use? Okay, so two examples. One of them is wrong, so let's find out what the wrong one is. Okay, especially I enjoyed the boat trip, or I especially enjoyed the boat trip. Okay, so sometimes some learners think that as I'm referring to myself or somebody particular, I should use the word especially at the beginning or before that subject, but it's incorrect. Okay, so as you can understand it by now, it's incorrect because here the word especially refers to that subject. So the next one is correct. I especially enjoyed the boat trip. Okay, and there is another example. You can see I enjoyed the boat trip. Okay, so if you are to use or if you are to mean the same thing, but you can't use the word especially at the beginning of a sentence. So what should you do then? Well, there is an alternative. You could use in particular, okay, at the beginning of a sentence. So let me write down here. Oh, red. Okay. Sorry. So in particular, I enjoyed the boat trip. That means you are referring to yourself or someone else. Okay. So, I think I should remind you that it's one of the 50 words. So I think that will do for you. So especially, it's one of the 50 words that most often is spelled wrongly by learners. There's one thing. And next comes, you should not use the word especially at the beginning, very beginning of a sentence, right? This one, like this one, okay? But if you are to use something else, okay, to refer to the subject, you could use in particular, okay? Well, that's pretty much about it, especially. I think you understood the lesson, and if you did, just hit the thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.